Welcome back to Adobe Illustrator. Today we will learn how to create this image using the drop shadow effect. Select the rectangle tool and cover the whole page. Color this dark blue. Lock this layer and add a new one. Select the ellipse tool and form a circle. Hold Ctrl or Option while dragging this circle down to duplicate. Continue this, placing circles around to form a cloud. Select all of your cloud and click Pathfinder, Unite. Go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow. The settings are in the bottom right corner. Duplicate these clouds, making them different colors and sizes around the page. Lock this layer and create a new one. Select the ellipse tool and form two circles of the same size. Overlap them halfway. Select the Shape Builder tool and drag your mouse across the circle on the right. Now that there is one crescent and one full circle, detach the circle and delete it, leaving a moon shape. Use the drop shadow effect on the moon. Select the ellipse tool again and create a very slim oval. Duplicate this and rotate it 90 degrees. Cross them over each other and click Pathfinder, Unite. Select your cross and use the Direct Selection tool to drag the corner circle outwards. This will make your vertices round, forming a sparkle. Make your sparkles smaller and duplicate it many times. Distribute the sparkles around the page. Lock this layer and create a new one. Select the rectangle tool and cover the whole image. Then, select the ellipse tool and create a large circle in the center of your page. Select everything and click Pathfinder, Exclude. Now that you have an opening, use the Drop Shadow tool. Lock this layer and create a new one. Finally, create two slim rectangles, one vertical and one horizontal. Overlap them and click Pathfinder, Unite. Use the drop shadow effect on this cross. Place it directly in the middle of your circle opening. Click the layer button and drag this layer beneath your previous layer.